So this is Ben Amel,
Hey everybody.
who's prototyped an initial Trapdoor Spider Interactive, and I'm going to ask him to kind of just talk a little bit about it, and we'll see what we can get for our initial video.
Sure. What we've got here is pretty straightforward series of linkages with turning rotary power into a little bit linear and then rotary again, but to get sort of a natural arc of the spider coming up and out of the hole. And then that's controlled by a gear motor here on the back side that is, this is the motor that turns the wheel over here. And all of that logic is governed by a microcontroller board that just sees an input from this push button. This input can be whatever we decide we want it to be. But this is sort of the general idea of how that'll work, and visitor triggers the spider to jump, and the spider jumps. So this should be pretty robust and pretty repeatable.
So we're thinking this is going to need about 12 inches in depth,
I think
minimum.
it'll be safe. Yep.
And then we're waiting for Jim's Trapdoor Spider, and kind of, well, what are our next steps here?
Well, I'd say waiting on what size spider we want to deal with, what size hole we want, and then dictating and talking with Blue Rhino and figuring how much size we can have inside of the built-in piece.
Okay. Yeah, we've got Jim's drawings of sort of the environment, and we'll start to work into that. And what do we do to make this kind of final robust? What's the next steps in taking this from kind of our wire and metal contraption here?
Well, we just put more rigid linkages in, and kind of finalize all those geometries.
Okay. Thank you very much, Ben.
Sure. You're welcome.